GLNet Solutions offers professional services and solutions in accounting, taxation, and payroll. Our services are synonymous to these agencies, and we happily take care of your monthly compliances. Aside from this, GLNet understands your need to have a good accounting and financial organization. We start with understanding your business processes, and we pinpoint areas how to streamline, how to implement internal controls, how to manage data, and generate reports. In order for GLNet Solutions to achieve this, we also have cloud-based software solutions that your team can use to facilitate the daily process, record the data, and generate reports real time. It is our objective to combine the software with our services so that both parties can achieve efficiency and effectiveness in accomplishing our work as a team. As our competitive advantage, we have trained personnel who will assist your team in transitioning your accounting process from manual to digital recording. And as a team, we change, we learn, we achieve, we innovate, we solve, we add value to your team. GLNet Solutions is proud to be your partner in financial reporting.